Schuler.
Just have like a priority or what? Go. Right here. More rifles than they started with.
In half, or do you want to like split it vertically?
Just like in half.
Pushing sides. This is all going to dry, which is really nice, because now we can use this.
Feed it? Actually, let me see.
I'm gonna let you with that one. I keep.
Here.
Thank you. I'm gonna keep trying to.
Oh, up.
See that shorter one there?
Huh?
See the shorter one there? You gotta put that as your bread.
No, it's going across. We were doing the cross, remember? Bring it on this side of that tree.
Like this?
Yeah.
And you just gotta set it down to the
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. And this back.
Alright. There you go. Yeah. That'll create a spot for stop the rain before rain.
Deployed?
We still had a ball on deployment. We were in the Philippines. We had the Marine Corps ball. We had the Philippine Marine Corps ball. Back to back.
You want to use this wood for firewood again? Yeah. Now that it was dry and is now soaked again.
Oh, there's your crab right there.
Where?
Right there.
That'd be crazy.
Oh, not this one. Not this one. This isn't the one.
You're looking for the thinner one.
stow them in the bushes.
Yeah. Lay them out neatly for the next fish.
Just leave them as is.
It's probably about.
It was like a black knife with a sheath on it.
Yeah.
The K-bar?
I think it was. We can check again.
That trailhead.
Wait, like total probably 4 miles or total since the last. I'm taking a chill pill here or what?
You taking a chill pill, Daddy? I will.
Everyone all the time, because we.
Oh, they're
you
my
policeman.
No, I keep them safe.
You keep them safe.
It's my responsibility for them to remain safe and keep them on the true path.
One chicken for the journey. Please indulge. My son, he offer up a chicken for you, American.
Considering that you have other additional chickens, would you be willing to trade maybe some medicine for another one if you have enough food?
We make the medicine. Why we need more medicine?
So the butterfly.
They do honey and then another type of crumb seeds. I can't remember.
Alright, I'm gonna go set that up.
Alright, do you need help?
I think you had the fastest time.